Ready? Okay, so number 4, to solve this, it helps if you write down what it means. M to the 5th power means m times, how many m's? 5 of them. That's what it means. And then you've got your times n and your times p. On the bulletin, you'd have 4 m's. M, and a p. Well, if you have a p on the top and a p on the bottom, gone. They cancel each other out. And this m will cancel out this m. Gone. This m will cancel out this m. Gone. This m will cancel out this m. Gone. Gone. What's left?
M and N.
An m and an n. That's your answer. Equal mn. Now, the way I do it, because I'm good in math, is I say, okay, I've got 5 m's on the top and 4 m's on the bottom. 4 of these m's will cancel out 4 of those m's, leaving me with 1 m where? On top. Or you can use the law of exponents. The law of exponents says if it's divide, what do you do to the exponents? Subtract them. So 5 take away 4, you also get n to the 1. So there's like 3 different ways to do it, child. So that's that one. Now let's do this one, which is harder. Okay, so let me erase this. To do this one, there's many different ways to do this. If you forget all your law of exponents, you can always figure out, well, what does that mean? It means 3 of these things multiplied together. So I'd have one of these big monsters times another of these big monsters times another of these big monsters. And when you have things smashed, it means multiply. So really this is all multiplied. So you can just say, if you have something on the top and something on the bottom, gone. So you could say, okay, I've got, I like to do the numbers first. Times all the top numbers, what do you get? 4 times 4 times 4. You know 4 cubed? 64. Okay, so let's do this over here. 64. Do all the numbers on the bottom. 3 times 3 times 3. 27. And we'll simplify that later. And then, you've got how many total F's on the top? This really means F times F times F. There's 3.
27.
There's 3 more. That's how many? 6. And there's 3 more. That's 9 F's. Now, how many G's do you have on top? 1, 2, 3 G's. So that's G to the 3rd. How many H's do you have on the bulletin?
18.
3.
Yes, 18. You've got 6 H's here. Remember that means H times H times H times H times H. I sound like an ambulance. So you got 6 H's there, 6 more there, 6 more there, total of 18 H's. So it's H to the 18. None of these letters will cancel out, so you got to keep all those letters exactly where they are. But then you can simplify that, I don't know, page 64 divided by 27. I'll do it. 64 divided by 27. Well, it comes out a decimal.
2.37.
It comes out a decimal, and so we just leave it like this, and there's your answer.